Hey there, I'm Ken Carson with Zybex, and I've got another product review here that I think can make your life a little bit healthier. And what I'm sitting on here is a stool, and it's from this fancy place called IKEA. And I think it's about 60 bucks. I bought it with my own money. I've been using this for about 6 months. I love it. It gives me that kind of third position between standing and sitting. And what's nice about this too is the base is rockered. So you've got room to kind of just wiggle around as you're sitting there. Once again, I can kind of introduce a little bit of movement to my core, my back. Not that I'm trying to get a workout, but I just want to have this change of movement. So as you can see here on this, I just run the keyboard surface down to middle range here. I'm going to drop it just a tiny bit more, get my keyboard right where I want it. And so as I'm working throughout the day, I'd stretch on this thing. So I'll push back on it a little bit like this, or I'll go the other direction and lean forward. But it just gives me that ability to do that. It also has underneath here adjustment for up and down, so it's going to hold just a pretty wide range of people. This would fit somebody really short, and then I run it all the way top. I'm just about 5'11". So I hope you enjoyed watching this review of this product. It's another one that I actually highly recommend. Low cost of entry, 60 bucks. Get it in your center, have a couple people share it throughout the day. I think that's the best way to do it. So I'm going to make more reviews. If you've got ideas of products you'd like to see, leave them for me in the comments down below. I'll spend some of the Zybex money, buy them, and let you guys see if they're going to work for you or not. So thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next review video.